Look. Look.
What color is the book?
Huh?
What color is that?
Green.
Good job. Let me open it.
Yeah. Man.
What color is this?
Flower.
What color is it?
Red.
Good. What color is this?
Yeah.
What color is this?
Blue.
Good. What color is this?
White.
Here, this one.
Yellow.
What color is this one? What color is the dog?
Dog.
What color is it? What color is it?
Huh?
What color is the dog?
Huh? Huh? White.
What color is this?
Black.
Is that it? No. What color is this?
Apple.
But what color?
Green.
All done. Good job. High five. Say bye-bye.